I don't know. We won't put a card in. We won't put a card in, right? No, not putting a card in. Here we go then, boys. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. You got. Is that poo there? I thought no. I thought it was bloody grass, isn't it? I lost my ball. I got it. Yeah. All right then. The first dinky hole. That's gone too fucking far. Oh, what a shit weather.
You didn't film that?
Yeah, it's all going.
So we can put a card in. I'll take that camera off.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll never go in. Burford Golf Club.
Shot, Steve. That's my ball there. Shot. Shot Mike. Right.
Straighten up as well. Down towards the bunker.
I walked 50 yards then. That's not my tee. Mick, the tee's there, mate.
That's right.
Right. 500 yards later, my ball's here. Who's that? It's yours, isn't it? What? Oh, decent one. Perhaps not. It's going to be a long day. Well, I think they're all in the trees. And there's mine, I think. Yeah, that's mine. Oh, I think, oh, yeah. God, I'm freezing. 6 iron now. That's better, Robbie. Well done, mate. That's better. Well, I don't know, the rest of the mob's gone. Mick's walking across here. Longy, oh, looking for his ball. He's lost his ball. Longy! That's Longy's ball. It's pink. I don't know if you can see it. Here he comes out of the trees. Look, he walks down there. He's here.
Yeah. I think he knows the walk.
Here, what colour is it? Pink. Well, I thought, I don't know. Here goes Mick. Oh no. Oh, fuck me, Jen. Oh. Right, Steve. That's cracker.
Sorry,
You're gonna go tee off again, are you?
Where are you?
Somewhere down here on the fairway, Oak. Can you see it? My glasses are steaming if I can't see fuck all. Can you see us, Steve? Oh, it's over there, isn't it? Yeah, got it. What's Mick doing?
Is that big?
Where? Yeah, that's Mick there, yeah. And be careful, Mick, we can't stay in front of him, he'll bloody hit you. Oh, I can't see fuck all. Right, anyway, we are about 120 away. So I think I can use a pitching wedge. Right. Arse up. Ow, my fucking knee. Yep, that's on. That's 4.
There's no trees in front of you this time. That hurt should have filled.
Oh dear. That's a laugh, isn't it? It's a serious game, but sometimes you can have a fucking laugh. Right then, Mick. So cool for the weather. I mean, it stopped raining at 10 o'clock. It's past nearly now. It's still going. So I'm 4 on the green. Let's see what happens now then, shall we? It's not very good having a come on your head. Lonnie, my head feels so heavy. How long he's in the bunker? I didn't realise that. What's a professional now? Get it out of the bunker, shall we? Oh, beautiful. Go on. Oh, shot, Steve. Right, which one's mine? Right, line it up. Oh dear. Doesn't look right, does it? No, that's not quite right. Oh, it could be. Too hard, Robbie, too hard. Deary me. That's 5. Unlucky, Mick. Oh. You bastard! Seven! Like my darts last night, 7. Oh! What'd you get?
You got 7. Rick had 8.
What'd you? 8?
8, Rick.
What'd you get, Steve? 6.
Oh, you know what it's going, are you?
Oh, it's come back out, you alright? How lucky, how lucky, how lucky we can be. Oh, yeah, come in, come in, come in, come in, come in, come in. Right. Fucking hell. Yeah.
Can you find it?
Oh dear. Well.
You haven't put your card in the thing.
No. No, sorry boys. This is getting worse.
No, take your time. You didn't practice, Rob.
I did. Flipping now. This is rubbish. That's 4. Well, lucky not to put a card in. Is that yours or mine, Mick? Where do mine go? Where? There, under the stair.
There, it's under there.
Right there. Deary, deary me. Well, Oh fucking Jesus. I'm in the sandpit. So this ain't very good. I've got 2 shots to get it in. Watch out, Stevie! Oh, God. God only knows. God only knows. Oh, God, God, God. Absolute caked in crap. I ain't got my gloves on. Never mind. That's 5. Ooh. Well, that's what you call a handicap of 30.5 playing off 39, and that is atrocious. Let's see if we can get out there somewhere this time. Have a decent one. Oh, brilliant, well done. Yeah, one, that's the first one. First one out of 3 tee-offs.
Warming up, mate.
Warming up, but the hands are falling off. And nice pink ball, Steve. I can't see nothing, look, but glasses.
Get that one,
Yeah. Yeah. Better with some of that, wouldn't it? Make your copy of me now.
You're going back away again.
Oh, Steve, that's in the trees. Oh, a cat. Oh, we're not doing a car today, are we? That's all right, then. See, we just can get it.
I might have seen the turns for the last bit.
Yeah, he might have bounced off a few rabbits. You never know. Is it Steve? Is a thing all spotted up? Is it? Pretty clear. Is it clear? Yeah. Oh, that's all right. Then. Probably ain't working. Should put one foot up really, because your hands are what, yeah. I'll put my glasses when I get out there. You got it? Mick's got it! But boy, you're oh, Mick! Oh, my boy, well done. Where is it then? I walked past it.
Yeah, bloody going, you two.
It's his fault, he hit him on the edge.
Where they going? Oh no, carry on.
Oh yeah, cheers mate.
Oh, you look happy together.
Holding hands. Oh, cheers mate. You're a good one mate.
This is getting worse. Oh.
Mr. Long, where have you gone? You gone with ping pong.